Take part in sweepstakes. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 20 says to take part in sweepstakes. Sweepstakes are perhaps the oldest form of online marketing. One ought to note that sweepstakes have been, in the recent past, incorporated on social media as a form of awareness for particular products and services that can be promoted through social media platforms. Sweepstakes are simple to enter and use. In addition to their simplicity, they are famous and known to many and therefore play a significant role in the promotion of products and services online. You can take advantage of sweepstakes on social media to attract more traffic to your posts or blogs. This can be achieved by including these sweepstakes in your promotional posts as a way of ensuring that social media users are not only attracted to, but also interested in your posts. As a result, this is expected to have a ripple effect on the number of sales you will realize on a given product or service and promotion. Entry requirements may include tagging other people in comments, sharing your posts to their own social media accounts, and other like actions. Incentivize them to share and tag others. I recently entered a sweepstakes where the prize was an iPad Pro with a detachable keyboard cover. The entry requirements were rather extensive. You needed to caption the supplied picture, like and follow the social media account, recommend the account to 5 of your friends by tagging them on Facebook, share the post on at least one social media platform, join the private Facebook group and recommend one of your additional friends as a member, not one of the 5 friends you already tagged. Follow the marketer's Instagram account and at least one of their TikTok accounts. You needed to take screenshots of all the actions and send them in to verify that they were completed. Now, this seems like a lot of steps to go through, and if the prize had not been highly valuable, I certainly would not have gone through all of those steps myself. The ultimate result of this, published by the social media account owner at the end with the announcement of the winner, was an additional 22,000 followers on his Facebook page. Sweepstakes can really work. Be creative. Stay connected to me by subscribing and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.